Today we're excited to introduce the Jaoul 5-in-1 Baby Crib, the ultimate solution for parents seeking versatility and convenience in a single product. This innovative baby bassinet serves as a bedside sleeper, travel crib, diaper changing table, cradle for infants up to 3 years old, and a playpen for children up to 6 years old, ensuring it grows with your child. Safety is a top priority with its children's product certification, featuring a 7-point supporting structure and rounded corners to prevent bumps and scratches, providing a secure and stable environment for your precious little one. Installation is a breeze, requiring no additional tools and taking just 3 minutes to set up, thanks to the clear instructions provided. Its foldable and portable design allows for easy transport, making it perfect for travel or visits, with an included Oxford travel bag for added convenience. The adjustable bedside sleeper feature lets you place the bassinet right next to your bed, with 4 adjustable heights and a safety strap for increased stability, making nighttime care and feeding a seamless experience. With the Jaoul 5-in-1 Baby Crib, you can create a comfortable and secure space for your baby, whether at home or on the go. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.